Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, as you can see, we're reporting live from Dollar General, and we are about to get into some easy any day deals that anyone can do. So you guys have been asking me, where are the Dollar General videos, Star? What's going on with them? Well, the reason I have been shying away from Dollar General, you guys, is because these shelves have been empty, y'all. Do y'all see these shelves? So today's deals, I'm actually going to focus on food items instead of household items, so we can have some items that are in stock. Because I've noticed that even if the household section is looking like this, they still have some food left. So that's what we're going to focus on today. So in order to do these deals, all you have to do is download the Dollar General app and then download the coupons that I am going to use, or you can just go on the Dollar General website and click on the same coupons that I am going to use. Enter in your phone number at the register and check out. You don't have to do this deal on Saturday. This can be an any day deal. Now, before I get into the food deals, I want to tell you guys about this deal on the Airwick. So the first thing we're going to get into is a deal that is not a food deal, but it's a really good deal that I want you guys to know about. So the brown sugar and vanilla Airwick essential oil starter kit, this baby right here that you will find on your end caps with the holiday items. So this is $3.35 regular price, and it is attaching to our $2.75 digital coupon, this cent only. So you want to grab this baby right here and use that $2.75 digital. It will make this only 60 cents for this. The brown sugar and vanilla is the only scent that I've tested at the register, but I saw on Facebook that the pumpkin may also be working, so you can scan that one with the app and see, but the apple cinnamon does not work for this deal. So we are going to get started with our food deal by grabbing some cereal. So the Kellogg's and the Captain Crunch this week are on sale 3 for $6. So they're each going to be $2 a piece when you buy 3. I'm going to start out by picking up 2 boxes of the Captain Crunch. So you can get whatever flavor you like. I'm going to grab 2 boxes of the original, and I am going to be using the 2 off of 2 digital coupon. So to complete my cereal deal, I'm going to grab one of the Kellogg's Fruit Loops. So these are also included in the 3 for $6 promotion. We have a 75-cent off digital coupon that we are going to use to complete our deal. So 3 boxes total up to $6. We're going to use our 2 off of 2 digital coupon on the Captain Crunch, and we are going to use our 75-cent digital coupon on the Kellogg's. That's going to bring it down to $3.25 for 3 boxes, which is already a good deal because that's like getting 3 boxes for the price of 1. But then we're going to submit back for the 2 boxes of Captain Crunch to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each box. So we're going to get $1 in cash back from Ibotta, making it only $2.25 for all 3 boxes, or 75 cents a piece. So now I'm on the dollar aisle because I was looking for some of the Colgate toothpaste that is $1 but is attaching to the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. My store does not have any of that, so I won't be able to grab it today, but they do have this crest right here, this one with 2 times more free. So this is $1 and it attaches to our $1 digital coupon, making it completely free. And just like with the brown sugar and vanilla Airwick, you want to make sure that you grab this one only. This is the one that's attaching to the $1 coupon. Before I go on to the next deal, let me tell you about today's sponsor. I want to stop and thank Chatbooks for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Chatbooks is a fast and affordable way to get photos off of your phone and into your hands. It's a monthly photo book subscription, and every month you can choose 30 pictures straight from your camera roll and turn them into beautiful, high quality books. The books are created through the app, which is so easy to navigate. All you have to do is select the photos that you want each month off of your phone, upload them to the app, and turn them into amazing photo books that you can look back on later. The books are affordable, fun to customize, and start at as little as $10 with free shipping. Get your holiday gifts done early this year. These make the perfect gift for grandparents and parents. Click the link, download the app, and get 20% off your first Chatbooks order site-wide with my code HOLIDAY20. The last thing we're gonna grab is these Santitas. So these are not marked in my store. They are marked for $2.25 on the shelf, but these are actually on a month-long promotion. So you have to buy 3 bags of them for this deal. So 3 bags that you have to buy, but they're ringing out 3 for $3, so just $1 a piece. So we're gonna pick up 3 of these, no coupons, but $1 a piece is an amazing deal. This is more than 50% off with no coupons required. All right, you guys. So this is everything that I am grabbing for my quick little Dollar General any day deal. So you do not have to pick up any portions of what I'm picking up today. Nothing is required for the deal. So you can come in and just grab 3 bags of the tortilla chips by themselves, or you can just do the cereal deal by itself, or you could just do this with the brown sugar and vanilla Airwick by itself, or you could just grab yourself some free toothpaste. You don't have to do, all of this together like I'm doing it. Now, I have a 3 off of 15 Dollar General store coupon that is exclusive to some accounts, and I'm going to work that into this deal today. So I have also picked up some Cheez-Its. These are $2.15 regular price, and I'm going to be using a 50-cent digital coupon. So with the Cheez-Its added in, I am at $15.50. With my 3 off of 15 and then all of the other coupons, the digital coupons for these items, my total at the register should be just $5.50. So we're going to pay that $5.50, and then we should get back $1 from Ibotta, making it just $4.50 for all 9 items. So let's go up to the register and pay for these items and see how this deal works. All right, you guys, so here is a close-up of my receipt. So everything worked out perfectly. The Santitas did ring out 3 for $3. And we also had the $2.50 off digital coupon come off for the Airwick, along with all of our other digital coupons. Everything came off like we wanted it to. My subtotal came up to $5.50, and we had a total savings of $17.30 for this deal. Now, if you were to buy all of these items and not have the 3 off of 15, your savings would be $14.30. Then I submitted back to Ibotta, and I did get back $1 for the Captain Crunch. And I was also able to submit back to Fetch Rewards, and I got some surprise points because I had a scan any receipt bonus. And so I also got back 75 cents from Fetch Rewards. So that made my final cost for everything, since I did get back $1.75, only $3.75 for this entire deal, which is amazing. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I thank you all so much for watching today's video. And as always, I'll talk to you soon.